I am here to clear something up. It has come to my attention in the comment section of some of my videos on the laws of Trinidad and Tobago that there's a misconception that a law with the word act on the end of it is not a law. I am an attorney at law, and I just want to clear this up really quickly and let you know that an act, a piece of legislation with the word act on the end, is in fact a law. The law that we were speaking about in this video was the Summary Offences Act. This act is called an act. The law is called an act because it was an act of Parliament that created it. It went through the legislative process in Parliament and was created into a law. So laws that are created in Parliament, which is our legislative body in Trinidad and Tobago, is going to have the word act on the end of it. And that means it's an act of Parliament. It is a law. Some examples: the Criminal Offences Act, the Matrimonial Causes Act, the Children's Act, the Sexual Offences Act, the Anti-Gang Act. They are all created by acts of Parliament, and they are the laws of Trinidad and Tobago that we must all adhere to. Also, maritime laws were brought up. Maritime law is the law of the navigation of the sea and does not apply to us here on the soil. Common law, let's clear up what is common law. Common law is created through the judgments, the decisions made by the judges in cases before the court. This is done by judges interpreting the legislation we spoke of before, the acts of Parliament, interpreting those laws based on the facts before them in their cases. So when you bring a case before a judge, he's going to look at the specific facts of that case, and he's going to interpret the law in a way that is going to bring justice to the situation. And that is what creates common law. Now, this commenter left a different comment saying that common law is the only law. That is untrue. The legislation we spoke about earlier, the Acts of Parliament, together with the common law, are parts of our legal system. It's a system that is in place to make sure that we have rules to follow and that we have ways of getting justice when things don't go right. The legal system is made up of many parts. All are important. So do not fall prey to thinking that an act, a law with the word act on the end, is not a law. You're going to get yourself in trouble. I hope that this cleared things up for everyone who did not know or were not sure about it. And if you still don't believe what I have to say, a simple Google search will clear it all up.